What's up guys? Today this is Craft Dojo Origami back with another video. Today I have made an origami box with a lid using just one sheet of paper. It's incredibly easy and you could use it for storage purposes, such as you could keep your eraser within it or your sharpener. You could use it to keep your pencil shavings as well. This box is so small that you could keep it anywhere, literally anywhere. So let's start making this cute little box over here right now. Without any further ado, let's go into today's video guys. What are we waiting for? For making this origami, we will be needing a sheet of size 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters, or it could just be a regular sheet of paper which is a square. So let's start making the origami box right now. First of all, we need to fold the sheet of paper into half. And then we have to make a crease. And then we have to open up and repeat the same step once more like this. And we have to open it up once more and then fold it up into a triangular half like this. And then we have to open up and repeat the same once more. Then after that we have to open it up, and using these two folds over here, see these two creases, we have to use these two as reference and bring this point over here towards the central point. And then after that we have to repeat the same step on all the other three sides as well. Over here, and then over here. Then after that we need to fold our sheet of paper into 3 equal halves using the S-shaped folding method. We have to fold in such a way that this place over here forms an S-like shape. After doing the S-shaped fold, we will be getting two creases over here, and then we have to turn the paper and repeat it once more over here and here. And then after that we have to open it up, and then we have to crisp out all the folds. Then after that step we have to open up our model on only two sides which are opposite to each other. We have to fold one part over here and the other part over here, and then we have to repeat the same on the other two sides as well. Now we have to fold these two parts inwards like this. And then we have to open it up to at least 90 degrees, and then with the previous folds we made, we have to fold it backward. The folds we made over here, we have to use it as our crease. See the fold over here, we just have to fold it out like this, and then we have to fold it inward. Now one of the sides is good to go, and we have to repeat the same on the other side which is adjacent to it, and then we have to crisp out this side over here, and after that we have to repeat the same on the other side as well. After that we have to fold it, this part over here, we have to fold it using these two lines over here as a reference. Then it will make our origami box look like this. We have to open it up and then refold it, fold it inside, and then make the water bomb base over here. And then after that step we have to repeat the same amount of steps we did over here, but with some changes. After that we need to fold this place over here using these two creases or lines as reference, such that this place over here becomes a square, and then we have to unfold it up and put this into the pocket, and our box with the lid is finally ready. We're good to go now, but still I would recommend using some glue, and after using some glue it would Thank you you for watching this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it a lot, and if you enjoyed it, a like would be awesome. But before that, I would like to show a demo of how to use this box. You could use it with your eraser, like you could just dump it in like this, or you could use your sharpener with it, or you could dump your pencil shavings in it, which I wouldn't recommend or do because it would make it look so dirty. You know what? If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing because I poured a lot of effort into making this video. If you like this video and you also enjoyed it a lot, don't forget to give it a like. And be sure to comment your thoughts on this box on the comment section below. You could also give me ideas on what content to make next. So, bye for now, guys. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, farewell, friends.